The Cypress 7 Walnut PC Case by Okinos beautifully combines genuine walnut wood with a high-performance chassis, making it a stylish addition to any modern workspace. Equipped with 4 pre-installed 120mm PWM fans, this case ensures excellent airflow and cooling efficiency, reaching an impressive air intake volume of 200 cubic feet per minute. For those who value connectivity, the case features a Type-C 3.2 Gen 2 port, along with 2 USB 3.0 ports, providing ample options for peripheral connections. With the ability to support up to 5 solid-state drives, the Cypress 7 offers impressive storage capacity, catering to users with extensive storage needs. The design allows for quick and easy access to interior components, simplifying maintenance and enhancing the overall user experience. While the case supports large graphics processing units up to 415 millimeters, it is important to note that only horizontal installation is possible.